प्लांट से हमको ऑक्सीजन मिलता है और हमारी बॉडी के लिए ऑक्सीजन इज वेरी वाइटल. बट दीज डेज, where are the plants? From where are we going to get oxygen? We live in concrete jungles now. So many years, I mean, when I was a child, इतने सारे पेड़ पौधे होते थे, like so many trees. Jungles are going away now. अब तो we all live in a concrete jungle. So where are we getting the proper oxygen to breathe? इतने सारी गाड़ियाँ आ गई है रोड पे, इतना pollution हो रहा है. How much pure oxygen is our body really getting? Now I want to show you this. This is an HPOT machine, and HPOT stands for hyperbaric oxygen therapy. What it does is that it delivers pure oxygen, 100% pure oxygen at a high pressure, which is delivered to your body cells. Because oxygen is delivered at a very high pressure, it goes directly into your body cells. अब नाउ ये जो हमारा चेम्बर है, यू कैन सी इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली एयर टाइट एंड इट डज नॉट अलाउ एनी अदर एयर और गैसेस टू गो इनसाइड. सो मेक श्योर कि 100% ऑक्सीजन इज डिलीवर्ड. जैसे कि देसी घी, प्योर देसी घी वर्क सो वेल, वैसे ही ऑक्सीजन इज़ ग्रेट फॉर योर बॉडी. इससे क्या होता है कि हर एक सेल को ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि उससे एनर्जी बनती है. डाइंग सेल्स need oxygen because if there's any cell that is feeling weak, if it's dying out, oxygen it's able to regenerate and it's like born again. So that is how powerful this HPOT machine is. There are many instances for which we can use. It is a great supplement to chemotherapy. Obviously, you need chemotherapy for cancer patients, but what HPOT also helps is that because oxygen is coming directly into your cells, it enhances the effectiveness of all your chemotherapy. It is very, research has shown it to be very beneficial for autistic children and for sensory neural hearing loss. And as I've mentioned, it's very good for general wellness and anti-aging because the oxygen gets into your system. It revitalizes all your body cells. It's like giving a jump start, just like how when your car's battery dies down, you give it a jump start. So the same way, this is what the HPOT machine does. It gives that jump start to your body cells and you feel much more vibrant, much more energetic and totally revitalized. So come and inquire about the HPOT services that we have at Peak Wellness Clinic in Gurgaon, Sector 55.